Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we're putting your grammar radar to the test with a quiz on common mistakes, 35 tricky MCQs to challenge what you think you know. Ready to fix those errors? Let's jump in. 1. Which sentence is grammatically correct? She doesn't like apples. Tips: use doesn't with singular subjects. 2. Identify the correct form of the verb. He walks to school every day. Tips: walks is the correct verb form for third person singular. 3. Choose the correct sentence. The dog chased its tail. Tips: use its for possession, not its. 4. Select the grammatically correct option. I enjoy reading books. Tips: enjoy matches with I in simple present tense. 5. Identify the correct sentence structure. He went to the store. Tips: always use the subject pronoun he. 6. Which sentence is punctuated correctly? I can't wait. Tips: avoid double negatives. 7. Choose the sentence with correct subject-verb agreement. Everyone has finished their work. Tips: ensure subject-verb agreement. 8. Pick the correct usage of there and there. They're going to the park. Tips: there is a contraction of they are. 9. Which sentence is correctly capitalized? I love my new job. Tips: start sentences with capital letters. 10. Identify the correct use of who or whom. Who is calling me now? Tips: who is used for the subject of a sentence. 11. Select the correct comparative adjective. She is smarter than her sister. Tips: smarter is the correct comparative form. 12. Choose the correct preposition for the sentence. He arrived on Monday. Tips: on Monday is the correct prepositional phrase. 13. Which sentence uses the right tense? She read the book yesterday. Tips: simple past tense is used for completed actions. 14. Pick the correct use of possessive pronoun. This is her bag. Tips: her is the correct possessive adjective. 15. Identify the correct sentence with adverbs. He runs quickly. Tips: adverbs modify verbs and should end with ly. 16. Choose the grammatically correct option. They were happy. Tips: use were for plural subjects. 17. Pick the sentence with correct word order. He ran quickly to the store. Tips: maintain logical word order. 18. Choose the correct use of less or fewer. There are fewer people here today. Tips: use fewer for countable nouns. 19. Select the correct plural form. Children are playing. Tips: the plural of child is children. 20. Identify the correctly formed sentence. She has written a letter. Tips: written is the past participle used with has. 21. Pick the sentence with the correct modifier placement. The man with a hat is driving the car. Tips: place modifiers close to the words they describe. 22. Choose the right use of effect or effect. The effect was immediate. Tips: effect is a noun, effect is a verb. 23. Which sentence uses the correct conjunction? I like apples, but I don't like oranges. Tips: use conjunctions correctly to link clauses. 24. Which sentence is correct? She doesn't like apples. Tips: use doesn't with third person singular. 25. Identify the grammatically correct sentence. He goes to school every day. Tips: add s to verbs with third person singular in present tense. 26. Which form of the verb is correct? They were playing outside. Tips: use were with plural subjects in the past tense. 27. Choose the correct sentence. I am good at English. Tips: the correct preposition with good is at. 28. Select the correct possessive form. It's a sunny day. Tips: use it's for it is. 29. Choose the correct past tense form. He drank the juice. Tips: drank is the correct past tense of drink. 30. Pick the correct sentence. Everyone has his or her own book. Tips: use singular pronouns with everyone. 31. Identify the correct use of there. There is a book on the table. Tips: there refers to a place or existence. 32. Choose the correct article usage. He is an honest man. Tips: use in before vowels or silent H. 33. Which sentence is correct? She will arrive tomorrow. Tips: will is followed by the base verb. 34. Pick the correct plural form. The children are playing. Tips: children is already plural. 35. Which sentence uses the correct pronoun? He and I are going to the park. Tips: use I for the subject position. If you enjoyed the quiz, don't forget to like this video, drop your answers in the comments, and hit that subscribe button for more grammar challenges. See you next time on Next Level English.